Confession time, guys. I have been secretly using my cloned voice for my videos, but you all didn't notice, and that's because the platform I use can clone any voice in an ultra realistic way that you wouldn't be able to tell the difference between a cloned voice and a real voice. In fact, the voice you are hearing now is cloned. I bet you never knew. But at Zara Studios, we don't gatekeep. That is why in today's video, I am going to share the secret tool I personally use, because picking the wrong tool makes your voice sound robotic, and this completely ruin your project. You end up with weird and lifeless audio that nobody wants to listen to. But when you get it right, the voice comes out so natural, you'd swear it was a real person. And the platform I have been secretly using is Fish Audio. Firstly, grab the link to this platform in the video description or in the pinned comments. Also, if you use my promo code ZARA20, you will get a 20% discount on your first purchase. Without further ado, let's dive in.
Click on the link in the description and it will bring you right here. Now click on Get Started at the top right corner and log in with any of your Google accounts. And this is the user interface of Fish Audio. This platform is more than a cloning platform. It can do text to speech, it can do voice cloning, sound effects, and it can separate your music for you into drum, bass, lyrics, and instrumental, and so much more. To clone your voice, look at this button at the left hand side, voice cloning. Click on it and it will bring you right here. There are two ways by which you can add your voice to the voice cloning tool. You can either upload your voice, and if you want to do that, the recommended voice size is between 10 seconds to 30 seconds audio, and it will use that to clone your voice. You can also click on this record button right here, and it begins to record your voice instantly without needing any external software or app to do that. Once you've recorded your voice to the extent you want, click on stop recording and the audio will be automatically added here. Then you click on analyze audio and it takes you to the next stage. But for me, I want to upload my voice. So I'm just going to click on this upload button right here. Select your voice. I'll select my voice, and once that is done, you can see the voice is added here. Play it to be sure that this is the exact one you want to add. Now click on analyze audio and it begins to analyze your voice. This just takes a couple of seconds. Once it's uploaded, now click on continue to details, and now it will give you a summary of what your voice sounds like. Here you can give your voice a name and read this and make sure that it clearly describes what your voice sounds like. And here also make sure that all these tags are related to what your voice sounds like. So this is a female voice, middle age, narration, educational, advertisement. It is smooth, calm, measured, friendly, professional, confident, clear, expressive, storytelling, and hosts, which is very good. It actually describes what my voice sounds like in real life. Once all that is done, confirm that you have the necessary rights to use this voice. So do not abuse this process. Because you can clone anybody's voice, do not clone voices that you don't have rights over. So I'm going to click on create right here, and we're going to wait for that to create our clone voice. And guys, our voice clone is ready, and this is it. To use this voice, you can just play it and see what it sounds like.
Discover how to streamline your workflow and create engaging content with ease. No,
that actually sounds like me. I'm just going to click use voice right here. Once you click on use voice, this is the voice. If you have created several clone voices, come to this right hand side here. Click on this arrow, this tiny little arrow here, and you will see all the voices that you have cloned and all the voices that you have used. Come to this TTS model right here and make sure it is on S2 Pro. This is the newest version of the TTS voice converter. And whatever is new is usually an improved version of the previous one. This is S1, the one that has been there before, and this is S2. So I'm going to be using S2. Here you can adjust the volume and you can also adjust the speed of your voice. Okay, And then for the loudness, you can adjust it right here. To generate our voiceover, all I have to do is to paste my script right here. And another good thing about this platform is it contains tags. If you come here, click on tags, you'll be able to add as many tags as possible to make your voice sound more human. Angry, sad, embarrassed, emphasize, whispering, soft, breathy, excited, laughing, chuckle, and the likes. And the most fantastic thing about this platform is if you click on this enhance button right here, it will automatically add tags to your voice, making it easier for you to know where tags are supposed to be and help you create a better and more realistic voice. As you can see, it added chuckle here, which is a soft laughter, emphasis here, emphasis here, excitement, emphasis, and the likes. So I'm just going to leave it. You can add more manually by yourself, okay? So here I want to add a tag manually. So I'll come to tags and I want to add emphasis to that particular place. As you can see, it has been added. You can add as many tags as you feel that your voiceover needs. Once that is done, click on generate speech right here. And in few seconds, in few seconds, your audio will
Confession
be ready.
time, guys. Really using my clone.
Look at that. The audio is ready and already playing. Now let's listen to what the voice sounds like. I love the fact that it generates two different samples for us. This is sample A. Let's listen to it.
Confession time, guys. I have been secretly using my cloned voice for my videos, but you all didn't notice, and that's because the platform I use can clone any voice in an ultra realistic way that.
Okay, now let's play sample B and see what it sounds like.
Confession time, guys. I have been secretly using my cloned voice for my videos, but you all didn't notice, and that's because the platform I use can clone any.
And guys, I can categorically say that I love this sample B the most. It sounds more realistic. It sounds more like me. Yes. To download your audio, just come to this particular button here and you click on download, and this will automatically download the voice onto your device. Look at that. There's another voice I have actually cloned right here, and I would like to use it to generate a narrated story. So if you are a folktale storyteller, this particular platform will ease your work. Imagine you having to read your scripts by yourself. It is actually stressful. But with Fish Audio, you can generate your voices no matter how long your script is. So I'm just going to come to the right hand side here. I'll click on this arrow here, and I have that particular voice saved here.
A long, long time ago, the village of Iliomi.
This is the voice, and I added it just the exact way I showed you a few seconds ago. So I'll click on use right here, and it has added that particular voice here. Now I'm just going to paste in my script, and I click on this enhance right here because it's actually going to make my work easier. It's going to add necessary tags where they are supposed to be without me having to lift a finger. And guys, as you can see right here, all the tags have been added automatically for me. And if you feel that there's a particular place that a tag is not supposed to be, just highlight it and click on delete, and it will delete right there. And if you feel that you're supposed to add a tag, make sure your cursor is at the exact place you want to add the tag. Go to tags right here, click on it, and then you add the tags, and it will be automatically placed at the exact spot where your cursor is. Okay, all that being said, I'm just going to click on generate right here, and we're just going to wait to listen to what this sounds like. Once your audio is fully generated, you will see the download button right here. So let's play the very first one and hear what it sounds like.
In a world where love is supposed to protect you, what happens when it becomes the very thing that destroys you? This is the story of Amara Okeke, a woman who lost everything: her husband, her freedom, and almost her sanity.
This really makes a lot of sense. Nobody will tell you that that was generated with AI. Now let's test out the sample B and hear what it sounds like.
In a world where love is supposed to protect you, what happens when it becomes the very thing that destroys you? This is the story of Amara Okeke, a woman who lost everything: her husband, her freedom, and almost her sanity. But what she didn't lose was the truth. It started.
Wow, I love this sample B the most, so I'm just going to click here to download this. You can download this, and that will automatically download to your device. The good thing about this platform is all your generated voices are saved here on the platform, so you can always come back to download it. Come to the left hand side here and click on platforms. Now scroll down and click on generation history, and here you have it. These are all the audios I have generated. These are all the audios. So you find all your audios right here on this platform. And these are the current plans that are available. $11 per month, $75 for the pro, and $7.49 for the business plan. And guys, this $11 will go a very long way. Talking from somebody who has generated enough audio from this platform. As you can see, it will give you 250,000 credits. And do not forget, if you use my promo code Zara20, you're going to get a 20% off your first purchase.
This platform is a powerhouse. With the newly released S2 model, you are in for amazing, ultra-realistic voices filled with emotions just like a real voice. Check out Fish Audio using the link under this video description. If you use my promo code Zara20, you will get a 20% discount on your first purchase. So if I were you, I will not miss this for anything in this world. Do well to leave all your questions in the comment section. I personally respond to all my comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing videos like this.